Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone Air, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. Alright, so basically all you have to do is to go to the settings. Let's go back. Right here, let's scroll and find General, and then go to Software Update. As you can see at the top, we've got this option which is called Automatic Update, so let's tap on it and let's pretend you've got it turned off. So what I highly recommend to do is to simply tap on automatically install and automatically download. First of all, automatically download, because this is the first step it should be taken to apply the update. So automatic download first of all, and then automatic install. Basically, if you will tap on this top switcher, then everything will be marked as accepted. And from now on, your device will automatically download and install the software updates and system files. Of course, whenever it is connected to the Wi-Fi, it will not download it if you've got only the mobile data. Thanks to it, you can avoid some charges. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.